Okay, let's begin by cubing both sides. Okay, you get x minus 2 squared then is equal to x minus 7 cubed. Okay. At this point, we actually just need to expand this. So you get x squared minus 4x plus 4. So for x minus 7 cubed, I'm going to treat it as this. So this is equal to x squared minus 14x plus 49. And I'm going to expand one more time. So you get x cubed, 14x squared plus 49x minus 7x squared minus 98x, and then minus 7 times 49. Okay, so I made a mistake in copying the 3 to 2, so I fixed it here. And also, I think I made a mistake here. Double negative should give you positive here, okay? So now let's collecting the like terms. So if you collect these two, you get minus 21x squared. If you collect these two, okay, I get that, okay? All right, so now let's bring that over to the other side. You get x cubed minus 22x squared. If you subtract both sides by x squared, add both sides by 6, and you get 153. And then you get, if you subtract this by another 9, you get 352. All right, so this is a pretty horrendous numbers for you to try factoring by guessing. So I graphed it and I got a root of 11 and 0. Okay, so x is going to be equal to 11.